Today, we'll be exploring 3 fantastic TV remote control apps that let you manage your TV from your Android device. With these apps, you'll have the power to change channels, adjust the volume, and navigate your favorite streaming services, all from your phone. Let's dive in. Remote Plus LG, Roku, Fire TV. Remote Plus is a versatile app that supports multiple TV brands, including LG, Roku, and Fire TV, making it an excellent all-in-one remote control solution. The app provides a user-friendly interface that allows you to control your devices seamlessly. Users can easily navigate through menus, adjust volume, switch channels, and access streaming services. Remote Plus also offers features like voice control and keyboard entry for easier text input, which can be particularly useful for searching content. Stick remote control for TV. Stick is another powerful remote control app designed primarily for Amazon Fire TV Stick users. However, it also supports other devices, making it somewhat versatile. The app has a straightforward interface that mimics the layout of the Fire TV remote, which helps users intuitively navigate their device. Key features include quick access to favorite channels, voice search, and a built-in keyboard for easy text input. Rokie, Roku TV Remote Control. Rokie is a dedicated remote control app specifically designed for Roku TV users. It offers a clean and simple interface that allows for easy navigation of Roku menus and channels. Users can control their Roku TV or streaming devices effortlessly, change channels, adjust volume, and even launch their favorite streaming apps with a single tap. One of the standout features of Rokie is its private listening option, which lets users listen to their TV audio through their smartphone headphones, perfect for late-night viewing without disturbing others. Thanks for watching. Which remote app are you excited to try? Let us know below. Until next time, happy watching.